try and introduce these to the chickens and see what happens.
What are these?
Turkeys. Turkey, turkey, turkey.
Come on, let's introduce the turkeys.
Hi, we're Danielle and Chris of the Split Arrow Farm, and today we're taking you through what a weekend in our lives at our farm looks like, and we can't wait to take you along for the adventure.
That's what you want, bro. Some more freedom and joy.
They're pretty much the same size. Except when they're the same size or bigger.
After releasing the turkeys in with the chicken, we did realize that there was quite a bit of a pecking order. So we took the turkey out and Chris went ahead and built a little pen that you can see here. That's wonderful because we can integrate any of our new chickens or turkeys in this pen, let them see the other chickens that are already there and get a better understanding before releasing them into the entire coop.
Hey, so this is a new day. We actually went in, finished clearing out all of this area, and Chris even dug some holes for where the plants are gonna go. So today what we're going to do is put some landscaping, cloth down, cut down where all the holes are, place the plants, and then mulch on top. So let's get going. Mags discovered these tiny little bunnies. So they're just chilling here, but she uncovered them. So I'm gonna just cover them back up so that they're in their nice little nest. Keep Mags out of the way and keep going on, right, Mags? The little babies got out, so we're gonna put him back in his hole. Let's go get some more mulch.
This dog cracks me up. You chilling, Paige? You good? You alright? Alright, you don't need nothing? You need a drink? You need some food? No? You good? Alright. Once we get those logs out of this little area, like the ones I cut, we can take a drive in the Jeep out there.
Okay, we're gonna take a little break from mulching and go check on what Chris is doing outside in the woods. Where's your dad? We oftentimes use the Toro just as a pickup. So what Chris is doing over here is he cut down a bunch of trees in our woods and have cleared out a lot of a path so that we can off-road with the Jeep in here, which is super exciting. You can see how wide it is by how far apart the two dogs are. So we have path this way, and spotted all the way over there is Chris chopping down trees in his prime. These are all the trees he cut down, and you can just see piles over here, which is actually really great because these are gonna provide habitats for animals as well. So it's kind of nice clearing the underbrush, so some of these trees can actually get to the light of day and not kind of like bend crazy to get up there. So really helping the forest as well.
Also makes it nice Like, watch, once I move this, how much clearer it just looks in general.
That's nice because now you can actually see the stream. These are burning bush, and you can see them here. These are actually an invasive species in New Jersey, and we were told by our forester that these should be cut down to allow for native trees to be able to grow. And you can see that they're just taking over the area.
We have just like a corner bench here. We put a fire pit right around here. I'm gonna clear this out. The old burning bush, I mean, look how much is gone from here too. So I ran out of gas. I gave up and started moving to my hand.
I guess this means I have to go finish my mulching so that I can ride in the Jeep. So let's go.
Once Chris finished clearing out the woods, we jumped into the Jeep and went for our first off-roading adventure in the paths of our woods, and it was such a great one.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna finish up mulching around this area, and then I'm gonna go mulch around the fruit trees, and by that time it's gonna be time to go out for Mother's Day dinner. So we'll see you guys again next time. I'm so glad that you joined us on a weekend of our activities at Solero Farm, and let us know how you spend your weekends. If you like this type of content, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, as we have new content that comes out every Wednesday and Sunday, and we'll see you guys again next time. Bye.
Don't judge me.